Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook taco soup. First, ensure all your ingredients are ready for a smooth cooking process. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium onion, and 1 packet of taco seasoning. Have 2 cans of corn, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes with chilies, and 1 small can of tomato sauce on hand. A cup of water or beef broth will also be essential for the soup's base. This simple list forms the foundation of a delicious and hearty meal. Start by placing 1 pound of ground beef into a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Break it apart with a spoon and cook until it is completely browned, which should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess grease from the pot to keep your soup light and flavorful. Then, add 1 finely chopped medium onion to the beef and continue to sauté them together until the onion becomes translucent, approximately 5 more minutes. This step builds a robust flavor base. Now, sprinkle the entire packet of taco seasoning over the cooked beef and onions, stirring well to coat everything evenly. Next, open and drain the 2 cans of corn and the 1 can of black beans, then add them directly to the pot. Do not drain the can of diced tomatoes with chilies. Simply pour the entire contents into your soup mixture. Finally, stir in the 8-ounce can of tomato sauce along with 1 cup of water or beef broth, ensuring everything is well combined. After combining all your ingredients, bring the soup to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low, ensuring the soup maintains a gentle simmer. Place a lid on the pot and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing all the rich flavors to fully develop and meld together. You may stir it occasionally to ensure even heating and prevent sticking, resulting in a perfectly balanced and flavorful taco soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.